friend, today I will cook you a special food. This food is a little bit exotic. Now I have entered the agriculture market in South China in order to look for today's material for our special cuisine. Okay, that's the raw material I will use. Oh my god! That's what this? This is a snake? Don't worry, this is not a snake. This is a kind of a fish, Asian swamp eel. Although it looks like a snake, but he has nothing to do with snake. Believe in me. Although this fish look quite ugly, but beneath its ugly appearance hide very delicious meat. Today I will purchase more or less half kilo. Uh, Here is a traditional agriculture market in South China. In this market, you can obtain almost all kind of food. In fact, 80% of our food come from this kind of market rather than supermarket like Carrefour, Walmart. Okay, I decided to purchase this side. I don't want it too big because too big, it's a bit difficult for me to handle it. This fish, you have to purchase it still alive. If he died when you purchase them, it not that will be not edible because the dead swamp eel will produce a kind of poison in their body, make it not edible. For this reason, I have to ask the seller to kill the eel before my eyes. Unfortunately, I don't want to do that, but if you want to eat the delicious food, you have to do that. Chinese people already treated the Asian swamp eel in that way more than 1,000 years. Asian swamp eel has a strong vitality, although their bone and organ has been removed, but their meat and head still moving inside the bowl. Hi friend, I continue to show you simple, easy and traditional Chinese classic cuisine. Today I will show you a food of hometown of chairman Mao Zedong. Do you know Mao Zedong? Okay, I will tell you in the future. He is one of the most important people in the history of China. Today we don't talk about politics, we only talk about the food because this food is very traditional in the hometown of Mr. Mao Zedong. What's this? We call this food mixed fried swamp eel with stem lettuce with garlic scapes. These three items, very good items. First, swamp eel. Swamp eel has a strong vitality. If we cut the head away from his body can still swim or move more or less 1 hour. So many people believe after eating this eel, we can also increase our energy. This autumn and winter is quite special because we have to resist pandemic. So we need to eat good food. Swamp eel is quite good food to increase your vitality. Okay. Okay, let me show you the material. We need to cut the eel into small pieces, but must be remembered, don't wash it because the blood has a lot of nutrition. We must cook with the blood. Okay, when we after cutting the eel into small pieces, we can cook it directly, but don't wash the blood away because the blood is quite nutritious. It's a very important part to this eel. This is quite special from other food. We deal with the stem lettuce. Take away the leaves. Take away skin.
Okay, skin has been removed. Now we are going to have a next process.
Okay.
Then we finish the stem letters. Then we are going to deal next material. We deal the garlic scape. First, you need to cut away the flower bud, because we only eat a stem.
配的。
到时候我会加音乐。
叮叮叮叮叮叮叮叮，要不然让我放音乐。
不许。Okay, the vegetable has been finished. Now we will deal with the condiment. Main material has ready. We just cut the vegetable in this way. That will be okay. Coming up next, we are going to deal with the auxiliary vegetable. First, ginger. We cut ginger into big slice. Okay, that's okay. Then garlic.
Cut chili into small pieces.
This time we also need some green onion. We cut a green onion into the small piece. Now auxiliary vegetables are okay, are ready. Let's cooking now.
When oil becomes hot, we put the ginger, garlic, and chili into the vegetable oil and stir fry them. After a while, we put the main material, Asian swamp eel, into the oil and stir fry them together too. During the stir frying, we put the green onion into them and stir fry them together. Now we add some condiment. First, you add some dark soy sauce, but the quantity you must control, not so much. Then, important thing, liquor, any kind of liquor. Then we put the garlic scape into the wok and stir fry them all together, and then put the stem letters into the wok and stir fry them all together. Then after a while, we put water into the wok. The quantity of water just the same level like the solid. That will be okay. Then we continue to add some condiment. First is pepper powder. Disturb them. Then we add the final condiment. Also, most important condiment, salt. We need 1.5 spoon salt. I don't advise you to use too much salt, because if you eat too much salt, that will ruin your health. We put the lid on the wok for several minutes. When it's boiling for more or less 5 or 10 minutes, it's already ready. We take out the food. Special delicacy is already in front of your eyes.
Asian swamp eel is as nutritious as ginseng, a very famous traditional Chinese medicine. According to ancient Chinese medicine book, the swamp eel can increase a lot the energy of the people. For this reason, we eat this food during the autumn. That will increase our health a lot. So today I'm very happy to eat this food. But if you can subscribe my channel, I will be more happier. If you can give me a like, I will be in the paradise. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you can enjoy your food too. Okay. So I will enjoy your meal. I hope you enjoy your meal too. Bye bye, my friend. You must eat this food with soup, a little soup. That's good with rice or noodle, but not bread. Bread not good for this food, but rice and noodle is quite good food for this dish.
Very good. Very, very, very.
See you next time, my friend.
Next time. Bye.
关了，关了，关了，关了，关了。